Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one latest feature in WhatsApp. It's called events in groups. So you can create, just like you create polls in group, you can create events in group to help organize gatherings and stay connected. Events contain useful information that can be easily accessed by group members. It could be a birthday party, it could be a tour event, or it could be any function that you can organize in a group. So to create an event, you can open your group chat and click on that plus and event. You can enter the event name, date and time. You can also add an event description, location, call link and end time. Event description can be up to 2048 characters. Call links can be added to events more than 12 months in advance. You can add links from other platforms such as Zooms in the event description and click on send. So this is how it is done in web. The similar thing follows in Android, iOS. So now there are a few things you need to note here. The events are hosted by the event creator. It's not currently possible to have a co-host. So if disappearing messages is turned on in groups, then you might not be able to create events in advance. To use the full calendar, turn disappearing messages off. You can't invite people who aren't in the group to the event. You also can't forward an event to another chat. New users can't see events before created. They join the group. To include new members, delete the old event and create a new one. So you can edit an event. Only event creators can edit and cancel events. So you can open your group chat and tap the group name, and you can tap on events and select the event you want to edit. So edit your event name, time and location and description. To cancel the event, tap cancel event, and yes, group members who respond going will receive a notification when you make changes to your event. The group chat will also get a notification of your edits. So you can pin an event. You can pin an event to the top of a group chat to help remind members about upcoming event. For this, you need to just go to the chats tab and tap and hold the event messages and tap the pin icon. So you can choose to pin the event for 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. To unpin an event, you just have to tap and hold the pinned event and tap on that pin button. So this is how it works. So I'll show you how it works actually in phone, Android phone. WhatsApp, and you can see this is the create events. So here I will show you how it is done. If you go to attachments, you will see events button. So when you click on it, you can create various events, whether it is birthday party, whether it is in function, a reception, you can put that there. I have come to this group. I have created this group. So now from my another account, I have added one group member. So now here if you go, you will see this attachment button. So this is this attachment button. If you click on it, I see this thing called event. So now when I create an event, I can say whatever information I want. Let's say birthday party. Right, so let me put that here. Now I can select an end time, so 7th November. Okay, so this is the location. I can put in location. I'll say Bangalore, or I can put in any location I want. I'm just putting this one. I can add a WhatsApp call link also if I want. Now I'll send it. Now I have this event. Now it's asking me who is going. So the creator is anyway going. There is one more person. So that person has to say he's going, then that will get updated. So in this way, you can manage trips, you can manage various events, functions, where you want to plan an event and see how many people are coming for that event. You can do all those things using events in WhatsApp. So hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.